If we want to have recycle bin here at the left side in the navigation area, this is how to do it. At an empty area, just right click and select show all folders. You will have it like this. In this way, it will be much easier to access the recycle bin without minimizing open windows to go to desktop to access it. For instance, I can open pictures from here and select these files and move them directly to the recycle bin. Easy. And from here, you can open the recycle bin and do whatever you want to do. From this place, we can even have the context menu and all its options. See? Let's try the pin to quick access. See, when we open the quick access, we have got the recycle bin right here. After removing it from down here, we will get it up here too. If you change your mind, you can right click and unpin it. Here is another way to do the same. Open quick access and then drag the recycle bin and drop it at this position where it says pin to quick access. There you have it at both sides.